Install the power cord. Install communication cable. Install the other end of the communication cable onto the USB port of the computer. Install the connector plug for the small inner diameter measurement system. Install the operation box socket. Attach the operation box to the appropriate position. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Turn on the power switch. The operation box enters standby mode. Open the control software. Select ring stiffness, test. Click OK. Software automatically communicates. Install the lower pressure plate onto the lower connection seat. Insert the threading pin and tighten the locking nut. Install the upper pressure plate onto the upper connecting seat. Insert the pin and tighten the locking nut. Install the sample. Use the operation box to control the lifting and lowering of the crossbeam so that the upper pressing plate lightly contacts the surface of the sample. Adjust the fixing nut of the inner diameter measuring device. Insert the inner diameter measuring device into the sample from the inside. Adjust the fixing screw. Loosen the fixing screw of the inner diameter measuring suspension rod to press the T-shaped measuring head against the inner surface of the sample, and then tighten the screw. The small inner diameter measurement system in the video is only applicable to samples with an inner diameter is less than or equal to 200 mm. Point configuration. Point system configuration. Option extensometer tool. Check the option for automatic fracture detection. Check for automatic return. Click OK. Click Input. Enter relevant information from the test report. Set the number of samples in the video using one sample as an example. Enter the length of the sample. Enter the inner diameter of the sample. Click OK. Set the test speed. Click to reset all to 0. Start the test. After the experiment is completed, click Save. Select Save Location. Save. Click on the report. Point report. Export PDF. Enter file name. Select Save Path. Save. View Save Test Reports. Next, we will introduce the use of the large inner diameter measuring device. The large inner diameter measurement system is used for samples with an inner diameter greater than 200 mm. Remove the upper link device. Place appropriate supports on the lower pressure plate to facilitate subsequent installation. Place the upper pressure plate onto the support structure. Use the operation box to control the crossbeam to descend and approach the pressure plate. Install fixing screws. Remove the fixing screws of the connecting sleeve. Remove the connecting sleeve. Install the fixing device for the inner diameter measurement part. Install the fixing device for the inner diameter measurement part. Insert the sample and use the pressure-reducing plate under the operating box to make slack contact with the upper surface of the sample. Install the inner diameter measuring device. Adjust the fixing nut. Install the inner diameter measuring device. Adjust the fixing nut. Hang the encoder cable on the hook of the upper inner diameter measuring device through a pulley. Adjust the fixing nut. Software operation part is the same as above. This is the complete operation process of the pipe ring stiffness test.